To install the Sport Roof on your Ranger SP570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by locating the speed nut mounting areas on the front underside of the roof. Then, press the speed nuts in until fully seated, ensuring the threaded position is inside the molded pocket. Before continuing, inspect the foam ceiling and ensure there is no damage or wear. Next, with the aid of an assistant, position the roof on top of the vehicle, and insert the front retention tabs into the openings on the windshield plate. Then, pull back on the rear of the roof and begin working it over the rear ROPS. Use care to ensure the foam seal is not damaged when moving into place. Before continuing, recheck the front retaining tabs to ensure they are fully seated. Next, install the 4 shorter fasteners up through the cab frame and into the speed nuts on the underside of the roof. Torque the fasteners to specification. Before continuing, inspect the foam seal to ensure the mounting holes in the foam line up with the ROPS. Finally, install 4 longer fasteners in the rear of the roof and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.